How to round to 2 decimals with Python. I am getting a lot of decimals in the output of this code, Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. My code currently looks like this. So my question is, how do I make the program round every answer to the second decimal place?
You can use the round function, which takes as its first argument the number and the second argument is the precision after the decimal point. In your case, it would be
using str.format syntax to display answer with 2 decimal places, without altering the underlying value of answer. Where column introduces the format spec, 0 enable sign aware 0 padding for numeric types, .2 sets the precision to 2, f displays the number as a fixed point number.
Most answers suggested round or format. Round sometimes rounds up, and in my case I needed the value of my variable to be rounded down and not just displayed as such. I found the answer here. How do I round a floating point number up to a certain decimal place? Or
you can use the round function. We'll give you an answer of 80.234. In your case, use